Awesome. All right. Well, welcome to another video. It's probably going to be a short one, folks, but it's going to just be about unboxing of some stuff from Amazon. Do it here. Little Amazon unboxing for the evening. Figured why not? There we go. Hey, not too bad there. That works. Yeah. And a lot of this stuff, it's all food. Yeah, these are just some vanilla wafer cookies. How many calories? 150 calories. That's not bad. Gotta have some calories in the old body, that's for sure. Those things are pretty good. We got in there. Chunky chocolate chip. We got two of them boxes. Get them right down in there where you can see it. Perfect. Two of those. Those are good. Very good, in fact. I don't know how many calories this is.
5 minutes later.
150 calories a serving. Oh, those are chunky ones, and these ones are too. They're called Happy Belly brand. It's just Amazon branded, basically. That's what that is. Awesome. And then we got pudding snack packs. These things are always good. Six chocolate, six vanilla, 12 pack. And these are 100 calories a serving also. Pretty cool, right?
Oh, yeah.
Those are good. And last but not least,
1 hour later.
Oh,
I got the soup in the cups.
those are good.
This is the kind of stuff I order mostly online. Food. Necessities, not junk, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. Kind of stuff I get from Amazon. It's food items. These are the instant ones. So those are good. That will work. Those and the chocolate and cookies and everything. I figured that works. For sure. That is it. And that's all there is. Well, other than bubble wrap, there's some bubble wrap in there, but I'm not gonna pull that out. Screen. I just figured that was a short little video for everybody. Yeah, well, I appreciate you watching. There will be more to come when I get more stuff from Amazon. I love you. Please share the videos and like and subscribe. Peace out. We'll see you later.